Okay, now let's move to Scorpio. So, first, update mo na kita, Scorpio, sa iyong astrology. So, on April 1st, full moon in Libra. This is about healing energy, no? Full moon in Libra is about healing and letting go sa mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. No? So, take advantage of this event, no? Full moon in Libra. It's about healing and letting go. No? And then on April 19th, Sun and Venus enter Taurus, reconciliation energy. So, makikipag-reconciliation ka, ayos ka sa iba, or meron kang mga tao na mamimit para kausapin, ayusin. Ito yung mga energy na maaaring ibigay sa ni Sun and Venus, no, sa bahay ni Taurus. Okay, so on April 25, Uranus enters Gemini naman. This energy ay magpapabago ng parang magpapabago pagdating sa investment or finances mo or pera, no? So, to be exact, no? April 25 or 25th, Uranus enters Gemini. So, Gemini. So, from Scorpio is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your 8th house. 8th house mo iyon. So, 8th house means May 21st to June 21st. So, keep in mind lang na during this period of time, maaring may mga pagbabago pagdating sa iyong investment, sa iyong pera, sa iyong business, sa iyong work, sa iyong school, no? It's pagbabago sa iyong finances. So, yes, overall, yung iyong astrology reading is about deep transformation, no? And also sa iyong sixth house, no, it's about work and health, no. Pag sinabing work and health, ingatan mo yung iyong health din. And may mga challenges ka na pagdadaanan when it comes to work. No, ayusin ang mga scheduled, no. Tapusin ang mga nakabinbin na proyekto or maglagay ng bagong routine, no. And then, as well as may mga sikreto at emosyong matagal nang nakatago na lalabas upang ikaw ay makapag-move on. So, pag sinabing 6th house, ano ba tong 6th house na to? Ano tong work and health na to? No? 6th house. So, from Scorpio is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aries. No? Dahil nagtitipon-tipon ng mga planeta sa bahay ni Aries as well. Yes. Aries po. Aries is March 21st to April 19th. So, this is your 6th house na sinasabi dito sa astrology mo. No? So, be mindful lang na may mga energy na maaaring pumasok sa'yo or may mga bagay na maaaring ito yung maging sitwasyon. Alright, so once again, our reading is just for guidance. Your action create your reality. Alright, so let's move to your tarot reading. But first, bigyan mo na kita, Scorpio, ng iyong manifesting card for the month of April. This is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. Okay. Ayun, binigyan na tayo. Hindi niya na ako pinayagan kumuha. Alright, so you have all that is. Ilagay ko dyan, din basahin natin together. I recognize the love that flows through all of life, seeing every part of the universe as an expression of this divine force. I am aware of God's presence in everything. With open heart, I embrace the magic and beauty of all that is, knowing I am a part of this magnificent whole. Ang ganda! Diba? Ang ganda-ganda naman. So, all that is. Alright, so you can comment on our comment section. I recognize the love that flows through all of life. Okay? I recognize the love that flows through all of life. Alright, so let's move to your tarot. So, gagamitan kita ng Star Tarot for today. And titignan natin yung energy ng ating mga Scorpio. energy and opportunity from those energy. One more shuffle here. Thank you. Another one. Thank you. And then for the energy. Wow. Queen of Swords. Ooh. You have the Eight of Wands. You have the Emperor. And you have the Queen of Swords. Ang ganda-ganda. Alright. So, dito muna tayo kay Eight of Wands. No? Eight of Wands. Swords pa yung sinabi ko kanina. Sorry about that. Eight of Wands. No? Kung makikita mo sa card na to, look at that. No? Napakakulay ng iyong heart. Kaya pala sinabi dito kanina sa manifesting mo, no? I recognize the love that flows through all of life. So, ibig sabihin, you have so much love in the air, not just in the air, in the frequency, in the vibration, in your, let me say, internal world. O, di ba? No? And also 8, no? This is actually, ito yung number ng, ng yung birth chart. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8 ka. Pang 8 ka sa astrology chart. Yeah, this is your lucky number. No? This is about love. And then of course, when universe are giving you love, you have to share the love as well, okay? Sharing the love. And then sinasabi din dito, no, dito sa card na to, Scorpio, maraming kulay eh. So, pag sinabi nating maraming kulay dyan, no, this is your lucky color as well, red, no? Yan yung lucky color mo, red, as a Scorpio, no? Ito rin yung sinasabi na ilabas mo yung pagmamahal lang, no? Ipakita mo kung sino yun talaga yung kung paano ka talaga magmahal. Kasi ang isang Scorpio din is mahilig talaga kasing mag-work inside. Para kayong mga Cancer din eh. Pero mas maano ang mga Scorpio. When it comes to love is talagang you guys are working inside. No, sa inner nyo, sa internal ninyo. So, sinasabi sa card na to, no? This is your lucky number, 8, which is the 8 of Wands. No, it's a fire. Wands, it's a fire din to, fire card. Na ipakita mo sa lahat na hindi ka ganoon ka secretive na tao. No, just let it be. Let it be. Kasi ang hirap diba, lagi magtago. Kaya nga meron ka dito sa astrology mo kanina, no, mayroong mga sikreto, no, na emosyon na matagal nang nakatago na lalabas upang ikaw ay makapag-move on. So kung gusto mong mag-move on, prepare yourself na mailabas itong mga energy na ito. Okay? And of course, you have the Emperor, which is the Aries card din ito. Emperor is about leader. This is the boss, power, authority, ruler, and stability. Okay? Ito yung the father of all tarot card. Okay, see the Emperor. Siya yung father of all. And, which is nasa Aries season tayo ngayon, no? At ang iyong 6th house, sinasabi nga rito, 6th house mo, Scorpio, is about work and health, no? So, ikaw kailangan na mag-leader, mag-boss sa iyong work and your health, no? Ibig sabihin nito, alagaan mo, bantayan mo, no? Bantayan mo as an emperor. Dahil dito sa iyong, overall ng iyong astrologist, you have the deep transformation, which is you, Scorpio. Magaling ka sa transformation, no? Alam mo yan sa sarili mo na magaling ka sa transformation, no? Pag sinabing transformation is you are the death, no? You are the death and you are the rebirth. Dapat marunong ka. But this time ng ating binabasa for April, no? Starting April is about healing, letting go. It's about taking care. It's about sharing love. It's about kilalanin mo kung ano yung mga talagang, which is, alam mo naman eh, for sure tayo alam mo yan. But, kilalanin mo not just yung ibang tao, kundi yung sarili mo din. No? Ang lalim. But, nice, because you have the Emperor, no? Mm-mm. Yes, wala naman na akong nakikitang anything na ano pa, kundi yun lang, transformation lang, and then sharing love, no? So, all that is, okay? Queen of Swords. So, yung opportunities, no? Once everything is on the right direction sa'yo, makikita mo yan. Ang daming butterflies. Ikaw din, butterflies. And meron kang, alam mo yon yung parang after death, no? Nang nabuhay ka, ikaw na ito. Ayan. Ayan ang iyong regalo from the universe. No? Magsha-shining ka. No? Lilipad ka. Gaganda ka. Parang yung mga butterfly na yan. And not just it, no? May phoenix dyan. Si phoenix is about luck and fortune yan. No? And then you have, makikita mo, you have rainbow. No? And then, makikita mo, meron kang mga star sa ulo mo. No? So, lagi ko nga sinasabi, transformation is parang yan yung ating, let me say na pinaka golden gift from the universe, from the sky, is yung magta-transform tayo. Because this is about clarity. This is about full of abundance. No? Transformation is full of abundance, clarity, no? Hindi lang sa material na bagay, kundi, no, sa ating sarili. No, dito natin malalaman kung ano ba talaga ang dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo sa mundo. Bakit tayo nandito? Bakit ginawa tayo? No? So, wow. And, let me clarify na lang. Kung gusto mo i-clarify ko yung 8 of Wands for you, and then, i-close na natin itong reading natin for our Scorpio. Eight of Wands for Scorpio. Okay, for our Scorpio. You have the Queen of Cups. See? Transformation. Oh my goodness. Ace of Swords. Clarity and truth. Wow. See that? See that? See that? See that? Beautiful. You have emotional maturity. No? Dito sa iyong deep transformation, magkakaroon ka ng emotional maturity, healing, no? Magkakaroon ka ng creativity, compassion, kindness, intuition, support, clarity, true, breakthrough, power, oh my God, new ideas, and that's what I was talking about earlier dito kay Queen of Swords. Okay? Transformation. The gift, the golden gift from the universe. Claim this, Scorpio. And comment mo dyan, pwede mo i-comment, I claim my abundance, or I recognize the love that flows through all of my life. Okay, that's your reading, Scorpio. I hope you like it. And remember, our reading is for guidance. Your action creates your reality.